Welcome to SANJET. Today we are going to service drum type tool changer and focus on our tool arm. The tool arm play an important role on tool changing. We are going to check and service the following part: the driven pin set, stopping roll set, position key, and the arm itself. You need the following tool to complete the service: a set of hash key, 12mm ratchet wrench, filler gauge, caliper, cordless light, straight edge, and some lubrication grease. Make sure the spindle is higher than tool changing position and press the emerging stop. You will have to work inside the machine. So clean the table and put protection to protect the table and yourself. Follow all the safety rules to protect yourself by powering down the machine. Install the cordless light because it will be very dark inside the machine. Make the arm stop in the lowest point by turning the shaft of the cam box motor with ratchet wrench. Do a visual check on position key, placement tool set, and the arm. Next, you will check the straightness of the arm by holding a straight edge right on the arm. Changing tool in the band arm can greatly affect the tool change. Now let's remove some part. Remove the bolt of driven cover. Take out the driven cover, driven pin, and the spring. Remove the pin cover and the pin. Carefully pull out the stopping rod and the spring. Clean the part with oil remover. Examine the driven pin and the spring. If there is any rust or deformation, remove the rust or repair it. Measure the driven pin. If it is less than 54mm, repair it. Examine the stopping rod and the spring. If there is any rust or deformation, remove the rust or repair it. Clean the old grease out of the arm. Make sure the new grease will not be affected. You will have to apply a light layer of lubrication grease on stopping roll and the spring. Put the stopping roll and the spring in the arm. Now, make sure the large side face out and press in. Put the pin in and screw the pin cover. Activate it several times to make sure it is working correctly. You will have to apply a light layer of lubrication grease on driven pin and the spring. Put the driven pin and the spring in the arm and apply a bit of lubrication grease on the top of the driven pin. Screw down the driven cover and activate it several times to make sure it is working correctly. You should test the arm with a tool. Try to remove the tool. The stopping roll should not move and the tool should be locked in the arm. Use the smallest filler gauge to check the gap. It should not fit. Put some grease on the flange of the cam box and the top of the driven pin. Turn the arm back to home position by turning the shaft of the cam box motor. Make sure the center sensor light up and is on home position. Power up the machine and make several tool changes to make sure everything works correctly. This is the tool arm service video. If you need repairment part for your tool arm, email us. Don't forget to visit SANJET website and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.